Good morning. My name is Chartpunk and this is your daily dose of Bitcoin. New day, new candles, no financial advice. Let's go. Yesterday, the traditional finance markets have all closed in the red, and that had an obvious effect on the Bitcoin market as well. The price has plunged. Let's take a look at the details. This is the weekly Bitcoin chart, and as we see, the Chartpunk H trading indicator is already giving us a gray candle, which is the sign of the lost bullish momentum confluence on this time frame. Whenever we have the green candles, it means that the indicator is sensing a bullish momentum confluence on the chart. That is not true anymore. The price is falling, and right now we are leaning on the MA30 support. This is the red line of the Chartpunk HTF trading system indicator. What we see here is that the two short period moving averages have already crossed down. So here we had the first signal to a little bit decrease the bullish allocation to the Bitcoin market, at least those who are trading the weekly chart based on consensus moving average trading system. Right now, this is a very important level where the price is currently trading. I have mentioned previously the Bollinger M-top as well, and that had a target of somewhere in this area. So right now, what the consensus position traders should be watching is whether during the coming weeks, the MA3, which is indicated in yellow, will cross down the MA30, because that would be the signal for the consensus traders to leave the Bitcoin market. If we take a look at the oscillators, then what we see is that the RSI is back above 50, which is already a bearish territory, and there is a clear chance of losing this upward trend in the momentum. I think this is the ultimate hope of the Bitcoin bulls. Here last July, the uptrend, this clear uptrend in the momentum on the Bitcoin market has started. It was divergent from the price action. You see here we had lower lows, here we had higher lows. So that is when this complete new trend in the momentum has started. And right now with this movement, what the bulls definitely do not want to lose is this level. It will be the story of the coming weeks, whether the bulls can keep this level in the RSI movement or not. The Chartpunk momentum oscillator, my own momentum indicator, has been leaning down since the middle of February. I have discussed this in detail in the previous videos, so the current movement is not that much of a surprise. This is definitely a very clean level and a very strong support, and in the next weeks it will be very interesting to watch whether the moving averages perform a bearish cross or not on the weekly time frame. Let's go down to the 3-day chart. 3-day Bitcoin chart. This is my most important Bitcoin trading time frame. Here we had the previous bearish cross of the two short period moving averages. This was the first sign to decrease the bullish allocation to the Bitcoin market, and I have done so. I have significantly reduced my position here at the $23,000 level. I have also discussed this in previous videos. Right now, what I'm watching is that during the next two candles, on this time frame, we might receive a signal to further decrease the allocation to the Bitcoin market, because the MA3 and the MA30 are preparing a bearish cross. Now, what you should see on this chart is that the MA30 is still ascending, which is still showing an uptrend on the market, notwithstanding the fact that the price has wicked below. And this is kind of similar to this here. I am not saying that this will repeat, because history never repeats, but somewhere here we are seeing a little bit similar structure. Here we had the bullish cross of the moving averages, then we had a rise in the prices. This was the 2021 September move, and then the two short period moving averages have turned down, and here you see the MA30 was still rising, and the price went below the MA30, then it started rising again, and the moving averages have not crossed under the long period moving average, and that is key. That is what I am watching now, right now in this move. In the next candles, my main decision point will be whether this yellow MA3 line will cross under the MA30 or not. That will be my decision point to significantly reduce my allocation to the Bitcoin market or not. If we take a look at the oscillators, then the RSI is clearly falling down. It is under all of its exponential moving averages and is already under 50. So the RSI is bearish, and the Chartpunk momentum oscillator is also bearish. After a slight upwards move, it turned down here at the end of February. So somewhere here at the $23,000 zone, exactly when we had the bearish cross of the 2 short period moving averages, the momentum oscillator is indicated also the weakening of the bullish momentum, and it has played out pretty nicely. So if we take at the momentum, it is currently bearish on the 1-day Bitcoin chart, or the 3-day Bitcoin chart, sorry. 1-day Bitcoin chart, nothing really bullish here. Here you can see how the Chartpunk HTF trading system indicator is working. Most importantly, what you should observe is that here we had the bearish cross of the 2 short period moving averages crossing down under the MA30 line. We received the gray candle indicating that this green bullish momentum is lost. And here at this candle, we received the first red candle indicating a bearish momentum. So this was a short signal in the Chartpunk HTF trading system indicator, and it has played out in a pretty handsome way. So those of you who are trading the daily Bitcoin time frame, here you had the signal to exit the market. This was the candle where I significantly reduced my allocation to the Bitcoin market. And those of you who have the balls to short Bitcoin, this was your daily candle to enter short positions on the Bitcoin market. Red candles indicating a bearish momentum confluence and all the moving averages trending down. The RSI is looking catastrophic. It is absolutely falling down. It is in free fall, way below all of its exponential moving averages. And the Chartpunk momentum oscillator is also falling down. Here it attempted to cross above the long period moving average, but it was not successful. And since basically this point here, it has been falling down. So it has also confirmed the bearish momentum and bearish trend on the Bitcoin market. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this periodical short Bitcoin updates, market updates. If you like these videos, then please like and subscribe and come back for the next episode. Happy trading, have a great day and weekend, and bye-bye.